Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl, Cinquanta. I haven't said that in a long time. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I am here with a very holiday friendly life update and YouTube update. So Merry Christmas to you all. I will be uploading this video today on Christmas. Just home chilling out with my family, but I wanted to just go ahead and get this out so that you guys can have something to look forward to going into the new year. So if you're watching this, Merry Christmas. I hope you were able to spend a lot of time with your family, and I hope you guys enjoyed some holiday cheer, and I do wish you guys a safe and cheerful, blessed new year. So I have a little list on my iPhone about some life updates and just, different things that I want to update you guys about what I'm going to be doing on YouTube. So, of course, we reached 5,000 subbies. We are on our way to 6,000, and that is thanks to all of you. Also, I was able to get my channel remonetized this year after my hard work of getting so many videos put up and uploaded here, making sure I did my research, making sure I shared what I enjoy for you guys to enjoy as well, and that is definitely print on demand. So I've definitely found my groove in that business that I've been building for the past 3 years, and I'm glad that I can share so much with you guys, and you guys are so interested in it. You guys are creating, printing, and starting to make money and publishing your own thing. So I'm super excited for you, and I'm glad that you guys are a part of my channel. So another thing that I want to start doing for the new year is I want to start giving out monthly forecasts, niche researches about some niche ideas or things that you guys can get into, things that are trending, and also some evergreen niches that you should be able to follow along with as the year progresses. I am a little late for January, but I am working on getting that video up, and hopefully I can get it up by the new year. Okay, so don't hold me to that, but I am going to try. Also, I'm on Clubhouse. So if any of you guys are on Clubhouse, it's an invite only audio drop-in app. A lot of more people have been joining. I've been on over a month now, and I've been doing really good over there. I do Clubhouse chats on print on demand. So if you're already on Clubhouse, go ahead and add me at Cinquanta. I will continue to add to the playlists I already have. So like the Canva tutorials, journal business ideas. I'll probably try my best to do a little bit more of the podcast one-on-one things. Probably go into in depth of some of the new equipment that I have that I can show you guys. Possibly show you guys how I reach out to do interviews and things like that. That probably might be an interesting video if you've never done a podcast interview before, or extracted the video to turn it into audio. So that is interesting, but I'll do that, all of those and more, especially, I'm definitely going to continue reviewing different POD sites. I do have a list that I'm going through, so I'm buying things from the sites, giving you guys a review on the site, the product, and showing you how to upload your first products on those sites, as I've been doing since 2019. So I'll continue to do that, but if there's a site that's new and you're leery about, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section so I can add it to my list if I don't already have it, so then I can check that website out as well. Oh, also, I want to order more products other than shirts, journals, and mugs. So I know a lot of different sites have blankets, and of course the air fresheners, and more than notebook. What else do you have? I know Society6 have home products, baby products, all of that. I want to be able to purchase more of the stuff that you don't normally see people doing reviews on. So I will be doing that, and I'll probably start that at the beginning of next year. Also, I want to start sharing my non-print on demand side hustles. So these are just side hustles that are the things that I can consistently make money on for just doing certain things a little time a day, part-time side hustles that don't make you don't have to leave your home, and it's probably basically things that you already do. Also, I have been thinking about trying 2 new side hustles this year. So if I do decide to get into those new side hustles, of course, I'm going to bring you guys on the journey, tell you the good and bad about it, tell you if it's a good idea or if it's something that you should try as well. Also, I plan to release more books. I plan to release more coloring books, journals, nonfiction books, fiction books, and that those will be under my name. So I do have a lot of ideas and things that I want to do. So you'll see more of my products this year versus me just talking about my pen name business. So I'm excited about that. And as always, 2020 has been amazing. So I'm super committed to continue to give you guys 3 videos a week, and that's on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Of course, my schedule is set in stone. I pretty much have not missed a day in a very long time. And this is how I've grown my channel this year, because I've been super consistent with publishing on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes I publish a video every day. So I've been super consistent with that, and I'm excited. I'm also going to get into some YouTube ads, also like just different Google ads. So just a little, just growing and growing this business that I have so I can stay a full-time entrepreneur. So also I'm here for suggestions. If there's anything that you want to see on my channel that you feel you haven't seen yet, feel free to suggest. Please don't make me feel like I have to do it, because some things are just not right for me in my channel, but I am open to suggestions. Whether I do it or not depends on if it's a good fit for me or if it's something I'm knowledgeable in. I do not like to share things I don't know anything about. Also, when I'm uploading to the sites and things like that, I do them from my perspective and my experience. So my experience may be different from another YouTuber's experience, and that is quite all right. So sometimes you have to go to a few different videos to find a perspective that fits for you in your life, and I may not be it, but to me that's okay, because there's lots of other people who pretty much do the same thing. But I try my best to break it down to the lowest level of understanding, so just about anyone can understand these videos and be able to upload on a site and make some kind of income from home. So I'm just super thankful and blessed that you guys have been with me all year. And for the ones who have been here on my channel since 2014, you are a true ride or die day one. So that's all I have for this video. Again, much love, peace, and blessings to you in the new year, and I'm excited to continue to grow my channel and connect and engage with all of you in 2021. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video.